Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your MetaMask wallet. First, download the official MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. Once installed, you'll be guided through creating a new wallet or importing an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. It's crucial to write down and store this 12-word phrase in a very secure, offline location, as it's the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone. Next, you'll need to fund your MetaMask wallet. You can find your public wallet address by clicking on Account 1 or your account name, which copies it to your clipboard. Then, you can transfer cryptocurrency from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance to this address. Alternatively, MetaMask allows you to buy crypto directly using a debit or credit card through integrated third-party services, though this may incur additional fees. Always ensure you're sending to the correct network. Sending and receiving crypto with MetaMask is straightforward. To send, click the Send button, then paste the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this address carefully, as transactions are irreversible. You'll also see an estimated gas fee, which is the cost to process your transaction on the network. Confirm all details before approving. To receive, simply share your public wallet address with the sender. They will use it to send tokens to your wallet. MetaMask truly shines when interacting with decentralized applications, or dApps. When you visit a dApp, you'll typically see a Connect Wallet button. Clicking this will prompt MetaMask to connect, allowing the dApp to view your public address and suggest transactions. Always review the permissions requested by the dApp and the details of any transaction before approving it. This vigilance helps protect your assets when engaging with smart contracts on the blockchain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.